Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to uh, make a dummy move. So I'm going to class base plate, let's wait for it to load. Yeah, let's wait for it to load. Uh, there, okay, uh, there. Okay, let's go to the thing. Okay, first we spawn a dummy using the rig builder right over here. And then we spawn a dummy. And then go inside the dummy by pressing this button. Go to humanoid root part, click the humanoid root part, click anchor. Now it's unanchored. If you want to anchor it again, press the anchor button again. Fun fact, most parts are clearly unanchored. So like thing. And now you can make this guy move. Let's just add a script. It's gonna take so long. I just need to make a script to there. And then we can make it now. First line is okay. This is so easy because it's only one line, but you can do it with 12 to do it. Script dot parent dot humanoid this move, and then you need a vector tree combinations inside, and then you can write some coordinates like this. This will move some it to somewhere. And now if you run it, it will run endlessly. This way. Now it just moves to the left, I guess. And then it just keeps moving and moving. As you see, there's no animation because we did not import animation yet. So let's add that. Let's go to the toolbar, insert animation script, and then first here we need to wait for the platform. Okay, now I can go to the toolbox. Now first we need to add animation script now. We put it from here. But yeah, there might be a error if you run it without removing something, and the removing something is called you know it's called it's called yeah, emote hook. So no emote for the dummy, and no more error you see in the output which is right here. You can access the output in the view here. You need that while you're scripting, or else you might not know why it's not running or not. Now that we added an animation, Let's try to make another dummy that moves in the opposite. Now we'll make it go to the right. We need to make this negative. Now if we run it, oh yeah, the y value means you cannot control it or not. Oh, and the y value is in the middle of the numbers. So it's like, okay, time to edit more. We can make it go to forward or backwards. Just need to set the z to -1 or the the z to number 1. Negative number 1 and 1 in the z to make it go forward and backward. Now, so you'll see them moving in the opposite direction and then moving in the other directions. Thing. See, they're moving. They start to move. It's like social distancing. Oh yeah, if you want to make part move intentions, you can make another dummy. You can duplicate it using Control D, and then you can edit the code. Okay, this is how you make it go to a park. Set to move to. We don't need the vector tree anymore. Instead, we use the workspace variable or something. I don't know if it's a variable or not, but it's just a part. Okay, now we need to make a first write game, which is the data model, and the game itself. Dot workspace, which is where we keep all our dummies in the part, and then we must specify the part's name, which is just part. Uh, part. Now we need to make sure to write position at the end of this dot. There. Now we can see it moving directly at the part. Let's need to run. Then ignore the two dummies. Just move to the part. See? Now shoot. But the script will corrupt if you move it away from the part. So that's no good. So that's it. If you want to learn more scripting, just subscribe or like or something. And hope you did an amazing job trying to remake this. So I guess